How much is this in Philippine money? In Philippine money? All of that?
Yeah.
No, you're not practical. Very expensive.
I figured since it costs so much, it must be good.
Gastos. You're too very
I had a good time. Well, most babe, all the perfume, the kids stuff.
But still, we're broke again.
This was expensive because it's new.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They just sell stock to you.
It had a whole special.
Basta nagbakasyon, basta pa other country. You always spend a lot. You know how kuripot I am. Bobot. Kalbot kuripot. Welcome back, love. Oh, tea. Your tea, love. Unboxing. Ready? Ready? Oh wow, look how elegant, love. Oh wow.
It should be for what I paid for it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the bottle is so elegant, love.
Yeah,
How to open this? No, I don't know how to open it. I don't know how to open it. And I'm scared that I'm gonna be ruining it. Angot na. Do you want me to unboxing yours? Siyempre, nagdigos ako. Tapos kasang-sampit nilakay ko. Rakrakan na, baby. Ooh, padada. Which one is yours, loves? Because it's the same color. The same color. Oh, of course, mine is pink, right? And yours is black. Okay. Oh, perfume. Intense. Couple. Ay. How to open? Look at them. It's beautiful. Ano po? I know how open it. Loves, I'm scared. Oh, okay. Oh, I should.
What are you doing?
How to open? How to open?
Huh?
How to open?
Like that?
Okay. Uy, I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Oh, kininang. Just like that, huh? It smell good, loves. It smell, yayamanin. Smell elegant, loves. I like this.
Why do you think I chose this?
Oh my god, you're such an elegant, loves. Panalo. You're my Valentino, loves. Perfect. I will display here, okay?
Oh, whatever you say, babe. His and her fragrances.
Valentino.
Yeah.
This is mine. This is for my husband. Wife and husband. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Similar. No, it's not the same. It's a
Different smell?
flavor. Yeah.
Ooh. Amazing.
It's a little bit smaller.
Okay. Same. Elegante
Yeah, but different smell.
Amoy utot. Amoy utot. It smells good. Mang angot ko, jotot mo lakay. You're farting that I smell because of the electric fan. Nagmotot ka man eh. And of course, wait a minute lang. Oh, 30%. Unboxing tayo. Tilang batang nila kay Pao. Wala. Oh my God. Puminta sa nga tama dito eh. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Elegante. Oh man. Oh man. Nabrok kami man eh. Ini nagmaya man data kutsa-kutsara na eh. Ano? Ano? Diyos ko. Siguro kasi maging kwa ma siguro karkarupak siguro tata filter ko no gamitik dito yan ah. Ayun na. Ayun na. Diyos me. Oh, dapat kutsara naman eh natin may isa. Nay, nagmaya. Tata kutsara na eh. Gold. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ayun, naglakay ko. Nay, nagdagsen. Nagmayat sige na eh. Tapos aritos. Nagmayat. Ano lang nilakay ko. Ato iti pa ka bro-brokan ni. Tila magagatang na nagmina ni. Ano yan? Deserve ko ba to? Loves! Damayin ko tsara na. Ano? Ano di kita? Ginagatang mo small, medium, large loves. It's beautiful. Loves ka. Loves! What is that? Like that? Spoon, yeah. Oh, what is that for? Overnight firming treatment. I need to use this. And then this one is firming eye cream. Eye cream, the other one. And the other one is day cream. Ah, yeah, this is for the eye cream, the small one. And this is for the day cream. And this is the night cream. Oh my God. Overnight. Apo,
You wanted to get rid of your
yeah,
okay. Last time you opened yours.
complaining. You don't want me to torture my face? Oh my God. Can I don't want I can I keep the box?
It's yours.
It's so beautiful the box. Beautiful boxes. Oh, I leave it here. Ala nagmaya. Ala nagmaya. Mm. Ah? Am I coming in Denmark?
We'll apply for a visa.
Kita nyo, diba? Cover ko man dito. Nagpintas ni. Ticketing, ticketing. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then the perfume over there. Happy wife again. Thanks, my loves. Happy birthday to you. Pag nagba-birthday, siya ang nagre-regalo. Right, loves? This is your birthday gift. A gift to your wife. Ay, na po. Siyempre, sakto lamang puyot data cake. Ay, aji, candle mo.